Good morning, all. Good morning. You look so exhausted. What happened? Long story. Do we need to go outside and warm up? Huh? All right, so without wasting time, we'll go over to what we have today. You're welcome to our today's class. We are still on the course ICT 301, Computer Applications in Pharmacy. In our last class, we introduced software, and we defined software, if you can remember. We defined software as a collection of what? Programs and what? Instructions that tell a computer what to do and how to do what? Do it. And we made it clear that software guides the what? The computer hardware to perform specific what? Tasks. So we talked about the classification of what? Software. So if you can remember, that we discussed the three classes, right? System software, programming software, and what? Application what? Software. So from there, we gave examples of each of them, right? We said that system software manages and controls what? Controls the computer what? Hardware. That is, it comes with what? The device, right? If you can remember. And we gave examples like different classification. We talked about the operating system, right? The BIOS, the utility programs like disk cleanup and what have you. We also talked about the boot programs, right? Then we talked about the programming software, where we said that these ones are used by what? Developers, right? To create other what? Software. We give example like compilers, debuggers, interpreters, and many of them. We also talked about application software. This is the one we use on our daily what? Basis, right? That you're able to type in your system, that software, that application is under this category. Like your MS Word, right? Which is under word processors, right? Good. Then we talk about the spreadsheet. We give example. Example is what? The popular example is what? Excel. Then we talk about the presentation software. The popular example is what? PowerPoint. Then we talk about the database management system. We talk about the MS what? Access. Desktop publishing. We talked about the what? The Adobe InDesign, MS publishers, and what have you. So we talked about the web browsers, example Chrome, right? Firefox, many of them. Even Microsoft Edge is also a browser, if you can remember. Then we also talked about the others. Video editors are inclusive. Things like other and educational software. They are also, even our games. Games is part of what? Application software. Good. So we also talked about the what? The program what? The program generators, right? Did you mention something like that? Huh? This one, you don't even need to be an expert in coding, right? Before you can use them. They'll do the work, the main work. Then now say to you, tell you what I want to do. Then you will now it will not look as if you are the one that did the job. Is that clear? So this one, there are tools anyway. There are tools that help what? The users to create programs with little or no coding what? Knowledge. Is that clear? So, and this one, they use domains like simulation, process control, user interface design, and what have you. This one, advantage is that it saves time, right? It saves time. True or false? Good. And it introduces coding languages. True or false? SS coding up and down. And it improves what? Productivity. It improves productivity. But it has disadvantages, right? It may generate inefficiency. True or false? inefficient or even bloated code. The function is limited. The function is what? Limited. So then let's look at, this is a summary of what we did last week, right? So let's look at software licensing. Software licensing. So what is software licensing? Software licensing or license is nothing but a legal agreement. It's a legal agreement that defines how software can be used or distributed. It's a legal agreement that determines how software can be used or distributed. You know, there's a software you don't have access to. I hope you know. You're aware, right? There are some self that will say, before you can do this one, you pay. True of us, you pay before you can continue. Maybe they will use a few part of it and lure you. You'll be enjoying yourself. When it's now the time to do the main work, they'll tell you, I'm sorry, you have to upgrade. This one is common with what? Application software. True of us, you'll be enjoying yourself. When it's time to now use it to do something serious, you now hear upgrade, premium. True of us. And it can be annoying. And if you look at the price, you start seeing $20 US. If you convert it to Naira, you will run away. Quarter of the money is not even in your account. You become frustrated. So it's an agreement that defines how software can be used or distributed. Now let's look at types of software license. Types of software licenses. We have the one we have the registerware. Registerware. This one requires the user to register before using. Is that clear? Registerware requires the what? The user to register before using. Excuse me, give me a few seconds, please. Registerware, one word. Registerware put together as one word. Is that clear? Good. Okay. What does it say about registerware? Huh? Before what? Before use, right? Good. Have you ever encountered such? Have you ever encountered such? Maybe when you want to make use of the software, you have to do what? Sign up. True of us. True of us. Yes. At least let's use the one you are familiar with. The one application software you use almost every day as non-programmers. What? Non-programmers. You want to do next thing you see, sign up. You click, you start seeing your email, blah blah blah, right? Good. So in wide, of course, now you know that doing the registration now you provide your what? Personal what? Information. True of us, you provide your name, your full name. We will ask you your age. True of us, you key in all these things because they want to know. In fact, the serious one, a very serious one, will ask you to put your what? ID. So will you see that you must put your what? International what? Passport. Have you ever encountered such? So now, maybe those that have to do with international transaction, maybe all this wiring, transfer, dollar, whatever, wallet, all these things, you have to put up key in it so that they will show that they are not dealing with what? Criminals. All right, now, so the next one is the next software license is what? Shareware or demoware. Shareware or demoware. Shareware. From the name demoware, what comes to your mind? Good. Good. This one. Demoware. Where? W-A-R-E. Demoware. Please enter quietly, please. No noise. God bless you. Demoware. Demo, then where? Put it together as one word. Just as Benedict said, is what? Trial, right? Right? That one we have a trial word versions. The trial versions will be what? Presented to you. So this one now, this one are distributed without what? Payment on trial what? Basis. That is distributed without what? Payment on trial what? Basis. So, but there are some limitations anyway in terms of functionality, availability, and convenience. Am I communicating? So there are some limitations to that extent. Now the next one is freeware. From the name, what does it tell you? Freeware. Freeware. What does it tell you? Freeware. It's free to what? Use. Free to what? Use. Free to what? Use. It's available. It's available for use at no cost. At no cost. Or for an optionally what? Fee. But please note something here. Freeware and shareware are not the same thing. Is that clear? Freeware and shareware are not what? The same thing. Is that clear? In the shareware, they will present you with the what? The trial what? Version. I use the word to lure you, right? Yes. When you now want to now do the main thing, that's when you will realize that the version you are using is what? Trial version. But some will tell you maybe try it for like 7 days. Initially, see what they are doing now. Initially, give it some few years back. The trial version, you not key in any information, any card information. Just try it. If you don't want to continue, you go your way. But now, before you even use that trial version, you must put your what? Card details. Has anybody experienced it here? Yes, that's the new thing now. You must put your what? Card information. It's a must. If you don't put your card information, you will not use that what? Trial version. So you put it and they're watching you. When it's time, when that time expires, they just go straight to you and hit it. Because they know that most of these virtual cards, or even especially these virtual cards, in fact, most banks now, if you use that, the one they give you, most of the cards don't even go. What is moving fast now is a virtual card, right? Now, they know that if they hit the card and there's no money there, the company will charge you for triggering a transaction where you know there's no money in your wallet. They will charge you. Some charge up to $1 just for error. In fact, if it happens up to 2-3 times, some will just your card will render your card useless. You have to activate that card again. So they know what they are doing. So if you are not ready to pay, then unless you are smart enough to maybe if it gets to the end towards the time of the trial, you do what? you maybe anyone want to do, but most times most people don't forget that they're using what trial version, and they will be enjoying it. They forget. So I want us to understand this now. Freeware and what? Shareware are not exactly what? The same thing. Is that clear? Please, let's note that. Now, the next one is what? Open source. Open source. Please, Benedict, please, attendance, please. Please. In open source, this one, the source code is what? Available. The source code is what? Available. Are we together? Are we together? So, source code. Are we together? Good. Of course, you know what source code is, right? You don't know. Just the what? Is a human what? Is a human readable code, instructions written by the what? Programmer. Is that clear? Written by the what? The what? The programmer or the what? Developer. We discussed in our last class. We discussed the programming language, right? We mentioned them, that the developers write programs using the programming language, right? Now, the source code of a particular software is actually the language, the code, the program language, the program written for that particular software, written by the what? The developer. Is that clear? That is source code. Source as in SOURCE. Source code of that particular what? Of that particular what? Application. Is that clear? There are some that the source code is what? Available. There are some that the source code is what? Available. So that's what we mean by what? The open what? Source code. That is, in a nutshell, if you want to call it free, so open source code what? Software. Open source code software. Open source code software. OSS. Open source code software. OSS. Is that clear? Good. So this OS, as I said now, this OS is a computer software that the, are we together? It's a computer software for which the human readable source code is made what? Available. Is that clear? Is made what? Available. So why did they make it available? Why did they make it available? What use is making it available? Is this one here is it permits the user to use it, even to change, to improve it. Is that clear? To improve on the what? Software. Are we together? I believe we are. Then we have abandonware. Abandon and ware put together as one word. Is that clear? Abandonware. This one is just outdated or discontinued what? Software, from the term abandon. So that should tell us what he's talking about. Outdated or what? A software that is no longer in what? In use. The one that they discontinued. Is that clear? So it's a software that is no longer available for purchase. It's a software that is no longer available for what? Purchase. Maybe it is very old, far, very old software that is no longer. In fact, there are better versions, better improved ones available. So those ones that are no longer available are called what? Abandoned.
All these things now, like how are we
Do what?
All this software, like now, we are the farmers technician. It's not as if we are really creating like software or websites. So all these abandoned.
I don't understand your question.
Like now, so now this all this that we're learning now, are we going to put it into practice? Are we going to practicalize it?
Practicalize it, we are here.
Yes.
Are you with your phone?
Yes.
You go to your phone, right? You already you are already practicing already. Were you here when I talked about different types of software? We are in a class, in our last class. We discussed a lot of them, gave examples. Opening your phone alone, and being able to access content of your phone, which software is helping you to achieve that? You'll be able to open. You know, when you say practical, you think practical is all when you now sit down and bring one big system. Let's just start what we are doing every day. Tell me now, you are able to open your phone now. This phone, maybe someone sent the phone to you, or you just bought the phone. Not even just buy the phone, booting the phone, right? On the phone now, your ability to be able to achieve that and have access to what is inside is what help you to be able to achieve it. Bagam. My laptop now. We are here this morning, right? I put the laptop on, and it took some time to come up, right? So now, what helped me to be able to achieve it? What category of software? Huh? I say, what category of software? What category of software? System software. Okay, go specifically now. Give me the specific one that helped me to be able to achieve it. Under system software, what subcategory? Operating system, right? Now, under operating system, example of software that can help me to achieve this. What is the issue again? Which practical are you talking about? This is the one you should know at this level. Am I communicating? This is one you should know at this level. If you now want to go into ICT as where you want to now develop, you now go deeper now, start talking about programming and other things. Now then, that one is a different ballgame altogether. We'll sit down and discuss that. If you go and start talking about that one, you spend years here. 2 years is not enough. Two of us, we are just talking about this for you to know that in case you know there are some things you work with system. You work with system and get tired of system. From now, even by the time you graduate and start, not even now, you are working with system already. Where you're working as pharmacy technician, you're working with system. The knowledge of this is to help you to understand how to go about the what system. Then, if you have special interest now in developing yourself in that line, like I said, if you have the opportunity to go into programming and know about programming and you can program, and you start developing software, and focus on pharmacy-related software and medical-related software, or more you hot cake now. You not rest. You will not rest. Different hospitals will be calling you, different pharmacies will be calling you, right? Yes. Then how many thousand they will pay you as pharmacy technician where you be dispensing drugs will be like a 1 hour pay to you. What they pay you in a month will look like 1 hour pay because you have developed a scale. True of us. So introducing you now into this may inspire someone and say, no, okay, now that I'm a pharmacy technician, let me take up this and grow in this area. So it's not a good thing we expose you to this. So whatever information you hear now is not a waste. Are we together? It's an eye opener to tell you that something like this exists. In case you may want to develop in that line. I don't know if what I said makes sense to you.
Yes.
So we are already. I like in as much as we are not with system and be punching it and be pressing it and be, but I just inform you that you do it almost every day without knowing. This your phone you woke up and press. You are already working with software. True of us. Are we even talking about the application software? So some of you played game this morning, right? Yes. Some of you asked ChatGPT one or two things, right? Even though ChatGPT is a tool, ChatGPT is above just application software. It's a tool, right? Yeah, because with ChatGPT, in fact, you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. It will create a prompt. I can tell ChatGPT to create a prompt of Benedict in this class eating. If I like, I will say Benedict eating snake, and send it. It will create Benedict where he's eating snake, and you think he's the one. You think he did it actually. So ChatGPT is not just software. It's a tool. That's why I say that I can categorize it among this program what? Yes. At least to me, it's not just software you can just press. It's beyond that. Tell me what software that you can tell to create code for you, create prompt for you, and use it. Are you aware that there are some that you use? You can create a website today without even knowing anything about. You can just tell the tool, do this for me. It will create a website for you. So it's beyond just ordinary application software. No. Am I communicating? Good. Now, so let's say one or two things about what? License key. License what? Key. License key. Remember, this lecture is just to expose you, touch different areas. Is that clear? There, so that you know that they exist. We are not going too deep into all these things. Just to touch them so that you know about them. So, license key. So what are license keys? A license key is a code. It's a code. It can be alphanumeric. You know what alphanumeric is, right? Letters, numbers, right? Yes. Given to users to activate a legally purchased software, not the pirated one. Legally purchased what? Software, not a cracked one. Legally purchased. I know that almost, in fact, if you almost, let's say 99.99% of the software we use, they are cracked. True of us, they are. If you actually purchased software legally, you have your licensed what? Key. Doctors, you know what I'm talking about, right? Yes, I know you know. You have what? Your what? Licensed what? Key. Yes. Ranging from antivirus. So, in fact, antivirus we use is even the worst. Antivirus don't suffer for our hand. And even our operating system not suffer. The Microsoft we use in this country don't suffer. So, if you want to purchase the real, if you want to purchase, I know we are laughing, but it's true now. If you want to purchase you have your what? License what? Are we together? Together we are. Thank you. What's that? Question? Okay. So, we are guilty of this one. Everybody. I don't even know who in this country has purchased this, except those that are doing serious business, that they don't want any issues. Apart from that, if it's just normal thing we do, yeah, for we are. You go and please give me that disk. Let me put it. You put it and copy it, and they will install it. The worst part of it is that if you start seeing the funniest part of it is that if you start seeing activate, you carry it. Please, he's showing me activate. I say, don't worry. They open the source code. Pa. It will disappear. Hey, if they start arresting people that do this, I don't know who will remain in this country. Okay, now let's go. Another subsection of the lecture I want us to look at is what? Software piracy. I think I have mentioned it here now. Yes. So 90% of what we use is pirated. Pirated what? Copies. Pirated what? Copies. Yes. So what is software piracy? Software piracy is illegal copying or distribution of what? Software. Illegal what? Copying or distribution of what? Software. Illegal copying or what? Distribution of what? Software. So it is highly what? Is it unauthorized? So what in a nutshell, in a nutshell, the user obtains the software without permission of the software holder. Is that clear?
The users
Obtain the software without the permission of the what? Software holder. So simple. I'm not calling note. I'm just explaining what I just said now. You can put it anywhere you want to put it. I'm not buttressing the point. Is that clear? If you pirate something, true of us, you gain access to it, right? Without the permission, right? Without following the due what? Process. The due process may be that you pay money, true of us. So once you refuse to pay the money and still have access to it, is piracy. No, be so. It's piracy. Yes. So let's look at types of software piracy. Types of software piracy. Types of software piracy. We have counterfeit software. We have counterfeit. Sorry. Really? We have counterfeit, right? So what happens here? In counterfeit software piracy, what happens is that we have fake copies that is sold what? Illegally. Not that is sold illegally. The copy that is being sold is even what? Fake. So two things are involved. Fake one being sold what? Of course you cannot sell what is fake legally. True of us. Yes, so that one is there. That one join. So this one is what we talk about what the fake copies of the software are sold illegally. You see them they produce it using a CD burner. They will burn it on a CD, and they use one awkward label. They can't even spend money to print a very captivating label. You all know what I'm talking about. You all know what I'm talking about. That thing you carry a star, you go, please, do you have this thing? They get to give you. The label is even awkward. They'll burn it in the CD, right? Then give you. They will install it for you. Some of them are fake. Some are fake. It's when you go home to use it, you do that. It's nonsense. Okay? Are we together? Then we have the one we call OEM unbundling. OEM unbundling. OEM unbundling. God bless you. Bundling. OEM means original equipment manufacturer. Original equipment manufacturer. So what happens in unbundling? What happens in unbundling? So here you find out that the software is separated. The software is what? Unbundled or separated from the hardware it came with. Am I communicating? Here the software is separated from the what? Hardware it came with. People can do a lot to make money, just to make money. They will do what? Separate the software from the hardware it came from. And now continue their business. Hey, only God will help us in this country. Only God will help us. Okay. Now, the next one I want us to look at is soft lifting. Soft lifting. Soft. The type of software piracy. Soft lifting. One word. I don't know how they have. Anyway, it's not that difficult. But people still do it. Here, you find out that they will get one license copy and install it in different systems or devices. I don't know how they do it. Is that clear? Yes. Anyway, it's not what ordinary person can just do. Is that clear? Yes. You know, some of these systems, like antivirus. If you buy what is it called? What is this? One of these sophisticated antivirus. I've forgotten the name. The Baba. That's the one that you should know that. Norton. Who has seen Norton? Who knows about Norton antivirus? Norton. Norton. That one. Okay, nobody. You okay? You are familiar with Mazda? Name them. I'm talking about Norton. Norton, yes. Norton. If you buy it now, like if you buy the package now, you have your license key. It should be for one system, unless you get the one you can still install in more than one. Is that clear? Depending on the one you purchased. But basically it is meant for one system. Now they will not get it now. Look for a way to do what? Crack it and do what? Install it in different what? System. Is that clear? It's also a way of what? Piracy. It's a type of what? Piracy. It's a type of what? Piracy. Because you are not doing what they ask you to do. True of us, you are supposed to use it for one system. So why are you? Because you know how to go about it. It's piracy. It's theft. It is. For real. Forget the reason why you are doing that. You know, sometimes we always present our reason. For whatsoever reason, the fact is that is what? Theft. Yes, it is. It is. So as I said before now, the user share the software with other users. And these other users are not authorized to do what? Have access to it. Is that clear? Good. Now, the next one I want us to look at. Hard disk loading. Hard disk loading. Hard disk loading. Hard disk loading. So what happened in hard disk loading? Here now you find out that the dealers we now install unauthorized or illegal version of a software. They will now install it on in a system. They will now install unauthorized what? Copy of software that is circulating. They will now install it. So that you that is installing that thing, you are committing an offense.
Version of a software in a system.
Unauthorized copy or version of what? Copy is better. Please use copy. Unauthorized because version entails a lot. Is that clear? Use copy. Okay. Copy of what? Software into a what? Onto a what? Computer system. And they will come and be telling you that this is the what? The original. When you now ask them about the manual, they're looking at you like he goat and she goat. They will not be able to provide the what? Hello? Alright, so now the next one is what? Let's look at internet piracy. Let's look at internet what? Software piracy. Internet software piracy. Internet software piracy. Yes, another type of software piracy. Internet software. This should be the 51, right?
Yes.
Internet software piracy. So from the name, what can you deduce from the name? Let's reason. From the name internet software piracy, what can you deduce from it? Hello? I'm listening. Share with me. From the name internet software piracy, what can you deduce from the name? Huh? Internet they're not your own. And another person smoothing is. Can someone make it smooth? I'm listening. Any idea? Share with me now. We are talking about this is computer. This is not abstract. You go to internet steady, true of us, almost every day. Do one or two things: download, upload, right? So I want to hear what you understand. What you understand by the term internet software piracy. Just share. It mustn't be correct. Just share. Someone has already stolen or illegally obtained a software, right? Good. Then upload. You know, in your conscience, you know that this is not from the company. You know. Because you know the company. You know this is not their website. You know the company. Don't feign ignorance. You know. But just because it's free, because they're looking for traffic. You go. You know. You leave the official website of that company because you know you pay. You go to another website, say, hey, it's not something. You know in your conscience. You go and obtain it. It's what? Am I communicating? You know, most of these people, most of them, their intention is to gain what? Traffic. Maybe their traffic has been monetized, their website has been what? Monetized through AdSense and what have you, right? They'll just be uploading things that they know that people will like, right? There are a lot of them. Some we, in fact, hey God, some we go and pack Netflix movies. Let me just use movie, even though yes, movie is not about. Let me just use it as an example. They will pack Netflix movies. They will pack Korean movies from KBS, right? Or what have you? They will pack it and now upload. It's free. You will go and download. Hey, am I making sense? Does it make sense? So that's what you mean by what? Internet what? Internet what? Software what? Piracy. So here you download from illegal websites. Provided that website has on that company or whatever group have something that does not belong to them, that belongs to another company, uploaded on their site, and that thing on their site, they don't have any agreement or MOU, whatever, with the company to upload their products, and you go and download it. It's what? Internet what? You are a pirate. You pirated their two of you, the one that uploaded and the one that downloaded. You are the same what shoe. Are we together? You say what? Yeah. That is the word. Yeah, that's the word. How is it my business? They uploaded, me I downloaded. But you may not understand how painful it can be. You may not understand how painful it can be if you pay programmers. If you pay programmers, if you get a program, Just yes. This morning, no, last night, I was discussing with somebody about. I was discussing with him. I want him to help me with a website. There's something I want to do with the website. The guy said that it will cost me not less than. He didn't say. He said not less than 800K. I said, I said okay. Website. Okay. Huh? He said not less than what? 800K.
Did he charge you?
I'm trying to. Yes, he did not. I know, depend on what you want to do with the website. Now, let's assume now you develop a product now, a software or something, and spend millions, only for you to be waiting for you to start. It's even possible to say that you got a loan from the bank to be able to fund it, right? Then when it's time for you to start reaping, you're waiting for the ROI to start coming in, only for you to see you are work flooded the internet space. That's when you understand how painful it can be. It's not a good thing as much as we do it, but it's not a good thing. We may not understand it until we are in their shoe. It's painful. And those people, they're using it, enjoying themselves. You that spend that money, nobody will come to you to even ask, to even click, to know whether. And those that have no business with that are making millions. Then you understand how painful it can be. So this is where we'll end this topic. Introduction to what? Software. Are we together? Okay, look at this question. Tell me the answer. Are we together? Listen carefully. Which category of software manages hardware resources and provides a platform for applications? Which category of software manages hardware resources and provides a platform for applications? A, application software. If you tell me the answer, you tell me the reason why it's the answer. Don't just tell me the answer. A, if you don't know this, you don't answer. A, application software. Are we together? A, application software. B, programming software. C, system software. D, malware. What's the answer? I said, which category of software manages hardware resources and provides a platform for applications? What's the answer? Okay. Answer it first before we go to the reason. Answer first. Malware. Who said malware? 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 Hello? Wait, I'm not asking reason. It's okay. Who said malware? Oh, yeah, stand up. Malware, stand up. So what is malware?
No, I don't answer the question. I was just repeating after you.
Wait. I asked a question, you say malware. So tell us what you know about malware.
No, I don't answer the question.
Oga, tell us what you know about malware. Are you serious? Okay, sit down. So who can tell us about malware? Who? Nobody. And we discussed this in this class. Okay now. Huh? What tell us about malware? I know, I agree with you. You say it's a what? System software. Just calm down first. Tell me what malware is. Malware. Let me say that it is malware. M-A-L-W-A-R-E. If the pronunciation is what giving you issue. Malware. Give me marker, please. Oh yeah. Answer now. Huh? Malware.
Malware is like a dangerous, yes, like that is used like for harmful to exploit or to do things like that.
This human being. This human being looked at AI. Look at what do you understand by it?
I don't
It's okay. Oh yeah, let's go back to hello. Oh yeah, let's go back to the question. So, who can answer that question? I gave you. We discussed it. Listen carefully. Are we together? This is not a good start to.
Are we together?
There's a saying where I came from. Aba. Aba is very far. Aba is a place very far. It's taken to be far from our side. Nama is cow. Obu is leg. Is it this type of leg that the cow we used to get to where? Aba. We discuss a topic now, and I ask you a question with options. No, nobody has answered the question here. More way is not the answer. How many times? For the fourth time. Okay, I asked, which category of software manages hardware resources and provides a platform for applications?
System software.
System software. Stand up, Benedict. Benedict, son of Daniel, stand up. What is system software?
System software.
Yes.
System software is manages hardware resources. In terms of, and you can also say it runs the computer.
Okay.
Use your question.
Okay.
Indicated that what manages hardware resources.
Okay.
It's system software.
Okay.
Not that we have operating software.
Okay.
So it also runs applications. So it's not system software.
Good. God bless you. God bless you. So, system software. Hello. System software manages what? The hardware resources and provides services for what? Application software. Things like operating systems, even drivers, utilities, they're under what? System what? Software. There are many of them. So it is not application software. Or option A says what? Application software. It is not application software because application software only performs end user what? Task. End user what? Task. So it has no business with hardware management. This says programming software. It's not programming software because programming software, this one helps in what? Creation of what? Other what? Software. We mentioned the debuggers, compilers, right? There are many of them. So it's not what? B. It's not also D. This says malware. It's not malware because malware is what? Malicious what? Software. That is not what? Legitimate. Exactly. So it's not a legitimate category of. It's not a legitimate category of what? Hardware what? It's a malicious what? Software. So where do you think virus fall into? It's malicious. You tried. Okay. This is not sound. The sound is not a good one. Please, I beg in the name of God. I thought by now, if I pump a question, you just scatter the question anyhow. Which of these is an example of programming software? Which of these is an example of a program of programming software? A. Microsoft Word. B. MySQL. C. Compiler. D. Chrome browser. Compiler. God bless you. Compiler. God bless you. So compiler is a programming software. Compiler actually translates high-level code. Remember, we talked about coding, right? It translates high-level code into machine code. So, and this is the core programming tool. It's a core programming tool. That's why it is classified under programming software. And why are they just coming now? Why on earth are they just coming after 1 hour? Explain yourself. What happened? Ma, what happened? Wait. The other time you were now you broke your hand. What's going on? Hello. So compiler is what? Compiler is a programming software. Option A says Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is not programming. This one is just an application software under word processor. If you remember, right? Microsoft Word is a application software under word processor. MySQL is not a programming software. It's just a database management Is that clear? So it's under application system component. Is that clear? Chrome is not for programming. Chrome is just an application software. Under which category? Subcategory. Web browser. Right? Good. Your exam don't start to. Is that what? Question. You could say that you did not say anything. I told you until I see what I should see, then I will do what I should do. I'm not seeing what I should see. Alright, so let's look at this question. Which statement about program generators? Which statement about program generators is true? Which statement about program generators is true? A. They always produce highly optimized, compact code. They always produce highly optimized, compact code. B. They require deep knowledge of low-level machine code from the user. C. They help create applications from high-level descriptions with less coding. C. They help create applications from high-level descriptions with less coding. D. They are never used in professional environment. What's the answer?
C.
It's simple, right?
Yes.
It's simple. They help create application from high-level description with less coding. We discussed this at length, that the program generators automate creation of application code. They automate creation of application code from high-level description. They will not reduce it just with minimal coding effort. then you are good to go. Are we together? Yes, we are. We are together. Okay, another question. Which of the following best exemplifies soft lifting? Which of the following best exemplifies soft lifting? We discussed soft lifting today, right?
Yes.
What is soft lifting?
Installing one license copy in different software.
Good. Good. A. Option A says a reseller bundling unlicensed software. Bundling unlicensed software with new PCs, personal computers. B. Installing one purchased software copy on 3 computers without license. C. Downloading cracked software from a torrent site. D. Buying a Lego boxed copy at a discounted price. What's the answer?
What are the options again?
Option A says a reseller bundling unlicensed software with the new PCs. B. Installing one purchased software copy on 3 computers without license. C. Downloading cracked software from a torrent site. D. Buying a Lego boxed copy at a discounted price. What's the answer?
B.
B is what? Installing one purchased copy on 3 computers. Correct. That's the answer. That's the answer. So they just buy one, they now go about it and start installing it in different computers. Good. So soft lifting refers to installing, listen carefully. Soft lifting refers to what? Installing a legitimately purchased copy on more machines than the one allowed by the what? License. Than the one allowed. You remember I said that some may allow 2, 3, depending on the amount you purchase it, right? Good. So if you install it in the device or computer that is number of computers more than the authorized number of this thing, you are doing soft lifting. You are doing what? Soft lifting. Which statement about abandonware is true? Which statement about abandonware is true? A. It is actively supported by the vendor with frequent updates. B. It is software no longer sold or supported, thus risky to use. C.
The other options.
Okay, look at this question. It says, are we together?
Yes.
Which of the following is not typically a feature of spreadsheet software used in pharmacies? Which of the following is not typically a feature of spreadsheet software used in pharmacies. A. Formulas and functions. B. Charting and graphs. C. Real-time HL7 patient messaging by default. D. Cell formatting and sorting. What's the answer? I said, which of the following is not typically a feature of spreadsheets? An example of spreadsheet is what? Excel. Good. So which of the following is not typically a feature of spreadsheet software used in pharmacies? A. Formulas and functions.
The systems, the connectors that are attached are not so. That's what there's I told you the election.
Okay, no issues.
It's all of them.
I will still need to before we start using. I will still need to come so I can look at them and see their functionalities before the lectures. Thank you. Okay. Good. They are aware. But I will remind him again today. I will remind him again. So I said, which is not typically a feature of spreadsheets? Which of these is not typically a feature of spreadsheet software? Are we listening?
Yes.
See, what we are doing now is the main thing. Send what? Bagam. You guys show me paper last semester. I will not do it again. I will never. All right. So, does anybody have answer to this question? Are we together? One ask, please. Please, this doesn't call for noise, please. The question is this: which of the following is not a feature? Which of the following is not a feature of spreadsheet software used in pharmacies? A. Formulas and functions. B. Charting and graphs. C. Real-time HL7 patient messaging by default. C. Cell formatting and sorting. What's the answer? Last one said cell formatting and sorting. What's the answer? Option A says formulas and functions. Option B says charting and graphs. C says real-time. You are making noise now. Wale, you are making noise. What's that? Real-time HL7 patient messaging by default. C. Cell formatting and sorting. Huh? Ewo. Is C now? By the time, please, hello, please. Well, by the time we start making use of the computer lab, please, if you have a system, come with it, please. I beg you.
Okay, sir.
Please, if you have a system. No, I want us to do this. Hello. I want us to do this a bit. So that if we start, it's just to do answer and see what is there. Is that clear? I want us to have the theory background first. So before we can now go there and see. But by the time we go there now, at least I will take a few minutes to help us open Excel. If you see Excel, Dorcas, you should answer this question. Your man is not here. Excel has what? Formulas and functions now, right? You can do calculation with Excel, right? Excel also has charting and graphs. You can do that too. Excel has cells. It has cells now, so cell formatting is possible. You can even sort. So the answer is what? Rate time HL7 version messaging by default. Because it is not a what? Spreadsheet. This one is not what? Spreadsheet. Are we together?
Yes.
Please don't joke with these questions. If you joke with this question, you will cry. You go cry. Don't joke with take them seriously. Take them what? Seriously. Take them what? Seriously. I told you that my exams are cheap, the simplest of the simplest. All you need to do is to listen to instruction and you will do well. Simple. Listen to what? Instructions and you will do well. Anybody that failed my course did not listen to instruction. It's as simple as that. You may be the among those with the highest IQ in this class and still fail my course. So it's not about being intelligent or being brilliant, no. It's about what? Listen to what? Instruction. You remember what I told you from the beginning of the first time we met? I told you that it's not the best in the class that do well in my course. It's not the best. It's those that are disciplined and those that listen. Those that are committed. Simple. Because you may be here gisting, chatting, making noise while I'm dishing important points. When you enter that hall, you will not be able to answer the questions because you are playing. Okay, now I don't think you answered up to 50% of the questions that I have been asking here.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the last question. It says, which of these statements is true about free will? Which of these statements is true about free will? A. Free will always allows modification and the redistribution of its source code. A. Free will always allows modification and the redistribution of its source code. B. Free will is free of charge but may not grant rights to modify or redistribute code. C. Freeware and open source software are legally identical. D. Freeware requires a subscription fee to use basic features. What's the answer? This says what? Freeware is what? Free of charge, but may not grant right to modify or redistribute code. I agree with you. I agree with you. I thought you said you broke your hand. I am agreeing with you. But you realize You mounted pressure here. So how come? A broken hand should be hanging like this. What happened?
I don't get one now. I suppose like one now.
All right. So now, are we together? When is this lecture supposed to end?
11.
Is it 11 or 12?
11.
It's a 3-hour lecture. It should be 3 hours. It's 9 to 12.
No, we have another lecturer.
Says who?
Yes.
To use my time.
So your time.
Your time. You don't have to use your time, sir.
That table says 9 to 12.
Ah. It's 9 to 11.
Bring, let me see. Benedict, what did the timetable say? For ICT 301. Don't lie, you. What did he say?
Don't lie.
It's 3 hours now. It's 9 to 12.
2 to 3 hours.
You don't tell us now.
You are tired.
Yes, every 9 hours. Just know it's time is level. Everybody does.
Hello? I was told that you agreed.
No, sir.
Sir, we did not agree.
Hello? Are we together? One house, please. One house, please. Wait, too. It's not this class that informed me that you have free space Tuesday 9 to 11. You know this class?
No. Yes, sir. The day is free. But that time is free. It's our male class rep that decided on the show. It's not someone's opinion. The time frame, sir.
Hello? What happened? You told me now.
Yes, no.
Okay, sorry. Not 9 to 11, sorry. It's 11 to 1 p.m. You told me. What's the issue? What's the color of your issue? The color?
Because on that Tuesday, we usually have class 3 to 5. You
What is your solution? Hello. Sorry. Hello. Wait. Hey, what is your solution now? Yes. You are making noise. Calm down. Hello. One house, please.
Yes, sir. I'm speaking for myself, not
Okay.
generally.
Okay.
My own opinion. I'm thinking that because we're having class, that's it, 3 to 5.
Okay.
So I feel like if you can come to the class 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, or you to take it.
Wait. Hello. This is a final class, right?
Yes.
And you are giving like first years. Why is noise now? No noise. There's no noise now. Let's discuss. You cannot achieve anything by making noise. Let's discuss. We are discussing. What did he say?
So if you can come to your own lecture, 12 to 2, then the lecture that we're having next is 3
3 to 5. So we can attend that lecture. Instead of coming 11 to 1, you come to your lecture 11 to 1. We have to sit for 2 good hours before going to
Doing
that.
nothing.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I think I understand where she's coming from.
My point.
That's Tuesday, right?
Yes.
That same Tuesday,
Yes, sir.
I have 100 level, 1 to 3 p.m. Yes. Tuesday, I have tutorials with 100 level, 1 to 3 p.m. That one is there, constant. So how then? Possibly that's why he fixed it. He came up with, even me self. Me, I'll teach from 1 to 3. I'll teach from 11 to 1, 1 to 3. But I have to do it. Yeah, I have no shop any other place. I have to do it. Now, so in that way, I think I understand what you're saying, but 9 to 11 is even worse, sir, because it's even worse. And we have class 3 to 5. So the only option is that what? 11 to 1. So what you do is this: if you come after my class with you, you can go to the library and read now. You can read. Or stay in your class and read now. You must not go home. So, hello. So, 11 to 1 Tuesday it is, right? Good. If you like, come. You like, you don't come. See, if I come by 11. Hello, see. Hello. That one. If you decide that you want every Tuesday, decide. If you want it only once, decide. All I know is that whatever Wallet said to me from now onward, I will be doing. If he says I should come, I will come. But if he says I should come and I come here without anybody, I'll mount my camera and teach him class. That's my way. I'll teach him class and go my way. So whatever he tells me, once he says I should come, I will come. In fact, 5 minutes to 1, I am here. Huh? All right. Hello. I think we will stop here for now so you can refresh yours and wait for your next class. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Let us see us. Hi guys.
The students. All right, thank you very much. God bless you. See you next time.